Hi, this is Master Ken. Well, in this video, I will share with you how to do a merge query and some possible error. So what we want to do is that we have two tables, and one is a risk, it's a sales table, and the other is mapping. So in the sales table, there's a team code, and it has to map it to this. So it's kind of a VLOOKUP. And as you know, in Power Query you can use a merge query, but does it work that way? Let's look at it. So these are the sales table and this is the map, and at the moment this data set has 38,962. Okay, 38,962. So let's take here. Okay, before that, so if we do a mapping, so it will be just that. So it's like there's a column that's named team, and there's a team code, and this is the rep code. So we want to know what is the team name for this role. So in order to do that, we want to go to this table here to look up that. So how do we do that? We can use a merge query, right? So we go to merge query, and the code we want to meet with team together with the here. So every time I find this 2-4, it will locate 1. Now so there are several things here. So let's just go OK. So I have a row here, and then we go for the team name. And now after you do this, you go to count rows. You see how many rows we have expanded. So it become 552,000. So why is that so? So you may wonder about it, right? So let's just look about. Let's just cross this and look at that one more time. Let me just close this also. Okay, so maybe we try the rows only in first row. Rematching rows. All from the first. All from the second. All rows from both. Let's just try inner. Sometimes you really just to try. Try inner, let's see what happens. Transform. So count rows. So we have 38,000 if we're using this inner. So still it won't be happening. So how do we solve this thing? Well, we want to use the newer versions thing called I'm just showing you how to do this. So we gotta use the position of List.Position.Of, and we will call the table team rep, and then run something from the team column, and the comma, and we have the team. So close parenthesis, and this will give us the index, and then we will have the list dot no, that will give me this. Then I want to use the table team wrap and team name. So curly bracket, and let's see if that works. Then I want to say team name, and I click OK. And table times, okay, there is no P here. And so we have the team name. Okay, so now go home, close and load. Oh, and you notice that this loading very slow, so it's gonna work. It's just way too slow. So how do we solve this way? Press escape key first. Escape key, escape key. Oh, it can't escape me. Can we just escape it? Cancel. And then this doesn't work, so we got to use a next method. Now the max method is actually a research come from here, where is a list of connects too slow, just way too slow, and the solution given by super user Imgerfed, the bi accountant, says that why is it? Because the list is not being buffered. So whatever you referencing with list, make sure wrap into a list function. So that's the hint. So with the hints, what I do is that I actually do go to advanced editor, and I actually add 2 lines here. So I take the whole column of team, the list, the column now turn into list, and then I buffer it by calling the List.Buffer and assign it to a step called teams list. And same goes here, the team name, I gotta buffer it and become a team name list, and finally I'm going to call this here. So let's just see how I change it. So let's come back to the very last step. Or instead of using this list non-buffer way, so I will now call this the team list. Okay, this is yeah, basically a team list, and here I'll just call it the team name list. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, all right, it's still the same. Okay, so see, it changed it to here. So this is a buffered list, and this is also a buffered list. So with that, we can go to home, click close and load, and look at the speed. Okay, it's done. See, so that is the power of using a buffer list, and you can read more about this List.Buffer, and there are many more things you can read for your reference. Many, just get many list.value. So yeah, so I'm just recording this so that I would not forget it, maybe. Yeah, now this is a very cool tips that I discovered this afternoon. Thanks for watching.